to use the right word, a very liberating experience. I think it was the spine that I grew through the fellowship. I think it was this belief in the self and this comfort with my own self that I came to understand because of all the questions that I was encouraged to raise. I was also inspired, rather, to look at each and every individual as a mobile text, as a moving text, each and everything around me as a text which I could read, which I could question, which I could probe into and understand. The founding level of liberal arts, which is dialectic, which is Socratic learning, which is inspiring debate in your class, which completely does away with the lecture mode of educating students and entering into this completely interesting process of putting your student in a very tight corner, cornering him by the power of debate and encouraging him to actually think, to probe into his own thinking, to critique his own thinking. I have now begun working with a publishing company in their editorial team. And now when I start looking at manuscripts, when I start engaging with manuscripts, I sense a lot of deficiency in me. And as I look back at where these deficiencies stem from, I can clearly relate it to the undergraduate training that I've had. When we had to interact with the farmers, there was more emphasis on collecting data than understanding the problem, rather than looking at the social fabric, rather than looking at the farming community as through the lens of anthropology. That which I am now introduced to because I have had the tools presented to me at the fellowship. So a 4-year-long liberal arts program, in a way, will provide more than just the tools to look at these different disciplines, to look at issues through the lenses that these different disciplines give us.